Keeping your Windows up to date will boost your speed so that there's less bugs. Now what you can do is in the search menu, search for settings. When you search for settings, you go to the settings and you can go to the bottom left corner and you'll find Windows Update. Now you can click on Install Now and it will install all the updates that needs to be updated. You can also click on Check for Updates, so it'll update and install the major updates that have more bug fixes. After you're done, you're all set to go. To clear a cache or your temporary files, click on Windows, logo key and R and type %temp%. It'll be in the description and in the pinned comment. Now you can press Ctrl A and that will select all the files and click on Shift Delete and that will permanently delete all these temporary files. Now you don't need all of these files. These are just duplicate files that you don't need. Now don't worry, nothing is going to happen. It's just going to speed up your computer. Now click on Do this for all current items and click on Skip. Now these are the items that cannot be deleted and it's in use. Another reason why your computer might be slow is there are a lot of apps in the background. Now click on Search for Startup Apps. Now these apps just don't need to start up when your computer starts up, and that's one of the reasons why your computer takes time to boot up. Now you can also filter it by startup impact, and so you can see what takes more impact. Now if you don't need a current app that you don't want to start up when you start up your computer, you can just switch it off. So that's how you turn it off. Solid state drive, aka SSD. Now if you're buying a new laptop or PC, we recommend one with at least 256 GB of SSD and with a minimum of 8 GB of RAM for a faster computer experience. Uninstall apps that are not useful. Now search for Add or Remove Program. When you search for that, you'll see all the programs that are on your computer. Now delete the apps and programs that you don't need. You can also sort them from the top.